He asked 1 atmospheric pressure, 1 atmospheric pressure in the presence of palladium, carbon and ethanol. Ethanol. Then what is the productive form? See, this palladium carbon, this is a partial reduction. That's a partial reduction. So reduction takes place of only oxygen and this carbonic carbon only goes to reduced OH. H is formed. This is a form because here is a partial reduction. This H2 is attacked only oxygen and carbon. Polar bond only reduced by H2. Next question number 2. Kanijaru reaction is an example of auto-oxidation. It is reaction only by aromatic aldehydes. So auto-oxidation takes place only aromatic aldehydes only. Next, which of the following compounds undergoes halo form reaction? Undergoes halo form reaction. Halo form reaction. Undergoes halo form reaction. Option A, CH3, COCH3. Option B, formaldehyde. Option C, thiabromide. Option D, dimethyl ether. So to participate in halo form reaction, the necessary condition to form halo form reaction, the necessary condition is C double bond O with CH3. This group must and should be present. Or poles CH3. Either this group. Any one of these groups are present, they can show this halo form test. So this acetone is having that group CH3 C double bond. So that's why acetone can form halo form test. Next to question number 3. Butanone reacts with methyl magnesium bromide. Butanone means what? CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. This is butanone. Then it can be reacted with methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide. An addition product Z is formed. Then what is Z? So, and also along with methyl magnesium bromide, water, hydrolysis also needed. So here methyl magnesium bromide CH3 MgBr. So here partial negative here, partial positive because this is the polar bond. So the negative part will be attacked here and the pi bond is polarized to oxygen. Now this is positive charge, magnesium is positive, it will be attacked here. Now we will get CH3, CH2, CO minus MgBr plus, and the CH3 attacked here and here already CH3. This is upon treatment with water hydrolysis. Here breakage takes place, this side H, this side OH will be formed. So our Z product is CH3, CH2, COH and CH3, CH3. So the byproduct is MgBrOH, magnesium hydroxybromide. So our Z compound is 2-methyl-2-butanol. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-methyl, 2-butanol is our alcohol. Next to question number 4. So which are the following reagent? Which reagent can convert acetaldehyde into alkane, and acetone into alkane. So which reagent we can use? So directly acetaldehyde converted into acetone, and acetone also converted into acetaldehyde converted into alkane, and acetone also converted into alkane. So which reagent we can use? So in acetaldehyde there are C double bond OH is there. In acetaldehyde CH3CHO. So if we remove this oxygen, we will get directly ethane. So what is the reagent we can use? Clemmensen reagent or Wolff-Kishner reagent we can use to remove this oxygen. So in the according to the given question, they have given zinc amalgam in the presence of OHCl. This is Clemmensen reagent. And also we can use Wolff-Kishner. Wolff-Kishner reagent is hydrazine in the presence of ethanol, and the solvent is ethylene glycol. So Wolff-Kishner, Clemmensen, anyone we can use directly. This oxygen can be removed, we get to ethane. And the same can be done even in the presence of acetone also. Even acetone also, if you take same Clemmensen or Wolff-Kishner, the oxygen is removed, you will get to propane. So aldehydes or ketones forms alkanes with only the reagent is Clemmensen or Wolff-Kishner. Clemmensen is zinc amalgam HCl. Wolff-Kishner is hydrazine N2H4, hydrazine and ethylene glycol and potassium hydroxide. So they have given formaldehyde and acetaldehyde and trichloroacetaldehyde. This is also called chloral, and acetone and trichloroacetone, CCl3CO, CH3, trichloroacetone, and benzaldehyde. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Among these, the question is, which are undergoing aldol condensation? In aldol condensation, only the aldehyde which is having alpha hydrogen. Aldol condensation. In aldol condensation, the condition is molecule must be contain alpha hydrogen. So which is having alpha hydrogen? With respect to CH4, this is having alpha hydrogen. With respect to CH4, there is no alpha hydrogen. With respect to ketone, alpha. There are 6 alpha hydrogens. With respect to C double bond, here alpha hydrogens. And there is no alpha hydrogens. So that's why option 2, option 4, option 5, only these 3 molecules participate in aldol condensation. And the compounds which does not have alpha hydrogens, they participate in a Cannizzaro reaction. In Cannizzaro reaction without alpha hydrogen. So option 1, option 3, option 6, these can be participated in a Cannizzaro reaction.